Disaster due to bad weather in Bardonecchia this afternoon, Monday, June 30th, 2025, the Frejus and Dora rivers overflowed, especially in the downstream areas of the city. The water also flooded the 335 State Road. The municipality appealed to the public to do not approach the bridges, avoid traveling, especially on via Inodi and Passeggiata Donatori di Se. For people were swept away by the flood, firefighters from the Susa and Oulx teams evacuated the 4 people in the Via Susa area. They were all evacuated to medical assistance. Almost 2 years after the floods that hit Bardonecchia, the municipality of Alta Valsusa is once again on maximum alert for new floods on the Rio Frejus caused by the heavy rains of the last few hours. Mayor Chiara Rossetti appealed to residents and tourists not to approach the bridges and avoid traveling.
Volevo andare via noi. Non riusciamo ad andare via, dai.
Therefore, it is better to stay at home and not use the car. Meanwhile, Citaf, the company that manages the A32 motorway, has closed the motorway junction due to flooding.
Guardala, guarda!
Due to the violent wave of bad weather, dozens of children who were in various summer camps in the city and in recreational areas were taken to the Palazzetto dello Sport, which was converted into a shelter for those in difficulty. However, a couple with a child were rescued by firefighters. While the situation in Noval's, dozens of people remain isolated. The Speleo Alpine Fluvial Nucleus team of the Cuneo Fire Department intervened between the municipalities of Argenera and Cal della Maddalena to rescue several people who were traveling on the state road. Due to the violent storm, large pieces of debris, including earth and stones, were dragged onto the highway, blocking vehicle traffic just above Argentora and preventing passing cars and trucks from continuing their journey. A team of volunteers and the Torrandrego 66 helicopter will head to the site to support the SAF team. I will ask the minister for an urgent report to understand the progress of the funds allocated to Bardonecchia, said Ananinoy area, Piedmontese MP for the 5-Star Movement and member of the Commission of Inquiry into the Hydrological disaster. In the meantime, the municipality has made the Palazzetto dello Sport available as a reception area for families evacuated from the Via Susa. On August 13, 2023, Bardonecchia was submerged by the historic flood of Frejus, with extensive damage and the summer season completely ruined.
Sto poco solo di acqua c'è qua, Madonna. Stiamo sotto la pioggia.